Hello everybody, how are you doing? I want to show you today how you can make very inexpensive raisin oats little cookies. No sugar, no sugar. The sugar will only be in the raisins. Okay, now but you can add some sugar if you want to. Now what you're going to need is a bowl. This is the same bowl that I'm going to store my cookies in. Okay, it also has a nice little lid. Right, so this will be great in the morning. What you need to do, get your bowl, put in half cup of raisins or 125 milliliter of raisins. In your bowl you add a quarter cup of oil. That will be round about 62 milliliter oil. Right, add it into your bowl. Then you're going to add some powder milk. Right, just put in about 2 heaps tablespoons of powdered milk. Right, now you're going to add 125 milliliter of flour or a half cup of flour and a half cup of oats, the fine one, the rolled one. If you have the big one, all that you need to do is you can just put it into a food processor. Now you need to have some baking soda. Okay, the baking soda will be responsible for the nice brown color, and it will also help with the rising. So you only need to take half teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, half a teaspoon. That will be 2.5 milliliter of baking soda. Take the baking soda, put it in a little cup and add a quarter cup of water. So you mix everything together in your bowl. I also added some cinnamon. You can add some vanilla, but I added some cinnamon. Mix everything together. When you're done, you're going to have a kind of a stiff dough. Don't make it too stiff. Then you can see they basically have the same size. You don't have to use what I'm going to be doing. You can just make balls and press it flat with a fork. But I like to do things a little bit different. So I had this little strainer. I put them in here. I press them down with my thumb and then I squeeze them out. They'll come out. Okay? Or you can take a tiny cookie scooper if you have one. Or if you want to make the recipe double, you can do that. And then you can use a cookie scooper depending on what size you have. The big size or the medium or the small size, I don't know what you have. But this is a tiny tea strainer. Okay? I just use it for this today. So I'm going to bake it around about 10 to 15 minutes. It's all done. Now, I let it cool a few minutes. I put it in my bowl. I'm going to put my lid on and it will be ready. In the morning when I want to eat something, remember there are no sugar in, added sugar. So, you will not have glucose spikes and all of that. If you want to have less of raisins, you add less. But what I'm trying to show you is you can make simple breakfast biscuits quickly people, quickly. Bake in the oven 180 degrees and enjoy. Have a lovely day people. Have a lovely day. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye.